This is the story of Rahul. He has many problems. To add to it, he can't even sit on a chair comfortably. Simple activities are a task. Rahul's biggest problem is his excess weight. Did you know excess weight, also called obesity, is the cause of 2.4 million deaths a year? Obese is a term used to indicate that a person's body mass index or BMI is greater than 35. BMI can be calculated by dividing your weight in kgs by your height in meters and then dividing the answer by your height again to get your BMI. Now, Rahul's BMI is 40, so high that weight loss is a problem. And weight loss is the way to earn some precious years of his life that obesity can otherwise steal. So if Rahul loses weight, his life expectancy will improve. He could have a better and happier life. Now, Rahul is trying his best to lose weight, but nothing seems to work. Did you know there are many like Rahul in India? India is the third most obese country in the world. Rahul heard about bariatric surgery as an option for people like him. Bariatric surgery can help obese people become fit. It reduces medications and allows them to have a better life. Rahul decided to meet Dr. X to learn more about bariatric surgery and to clear his doubts. Dr. X answered Rahul's questions and helped him understand what life after surgery would be like. In fact, he discussed about it with people who underwent bariatric surgery. Today, Rahul is a different person. Let obesity not weigh you down. You can live a healthy and happy life too. Presented by Medtronics.